Welcome back, traders. In this video I'll be showing you how to identify a reorder block in the market, and also one of the best trading strategy that I'm using, even though I discovered this strategy by myself after 2 years of trading. So you can see all this setup here. You can see the stop loss is very small. You can see this stop loss here is very small, this stop loss is very small, and also this one. So I'm going to try to be explain how I was able to catch all these movements here. And then it's just like me testing my strategy, so you can understand my strategy very well, and also the reason why I'm using all these setup. And then I'm also making use of what order block, and also knowing exactly the price is going to in the market, because a lot of traders doesn't understand exactly the price going to the market. That is why you see them increasing their stop loss like this. Let me give you an example. That is why you see them increasing what their stop loss. Their stop loss is going to be big like this. Some 1:2, 1:3, and so on. But if you have to check my ratio, the smallest ratio I can take in the market is 1:10. Right? So this particular trade is 1:46. This one is 1:12. This one is 1:56, 53. This one is 1:104. This one is 1:28. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I was able to analyze this particular trade, and then I was able to make use of my strategy, just to catch all this particular move in this particular trade. So if you're watching this video for the first time, please like this video and then subscribe to this channel. So let's just go into the video right now. So I have to delete all these movements. So I'm going to explain right from this particular entry to this, and also this. So make sure you watch to the end, because I'm going to be dropping some important information that you don't want to miss out. So let's get into the video. So I've deleted all the entries. You can see we don't have any entry here, so I'm going to be doing this from the beginning with you guys. So my strategy is very simple. Strategy is all about you knowing and then understanding a real order block in the market, and also is connected by you going down to lower time frame to find a perfect entry where exactly price is going to inside what a real order block. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to identify a real order block at first. Then after that, we're going to move down how to identify where exactly price is going to inside a particular order block by going down to lower time frame. So let me give you what I mean by a real order block. So let me just draw a structure here. You can see that price going what's on a bullish direction, higher high, then higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, then higher low, then higher high. So if price end up doing something like this, so price end up breaking too low. There's the first low here. Then after this low, we have another low here. So price end up breaking too low. So we are going to make use of the order block. The order block can be here. The order block can be somewhere around there. It all depends. So order block is just for this bearish movement, it's just the last bullish candle that end up breaking market structure, that end up breaking this too low. You understand? Is what a real order block. So the order block can be here or this area. So let me just delete this. You'll be expecting price to do something like this, to move from this particular low and then return back to this particular order block, and then start coming all the way down. You understand? So this just how to identify a real order block in the market. If price end up breaking too low, then you make use of the order block, just vice versa for what a bullish trade. But if price end up breaking only one low, let me just give you an example. Okay, sorry. If price end up breaking only one low like this, okay. So if price end up breaking only one low, don't make use of the order block. You understand? Because price can just use that one to create what a change of character in the market. I've did video on how to identify a change of character in the market. If you don't understand that, you can just go and watch the video, and then I'm going to be leaving the link in the description. So price can just come all the way down to break this particular low, and then some traders are going to see that price has end up breaking structure. Meanwhile, just a change of character, and then price end up doing something like this. Price end up going above this particular high. So I'm not talking about a change of character here. So I'm discussing about what order block. So if price end up breaking one low, don't trust the order block. Just wait for price to break two lows. You understand? So the other way to identify a real order block is just if price end up breaking one low, and their price eventually go back up like this, but refuse to break this particular high, and also come all the way down to break the second low. Can you see that price end up breaking the second low here? So this order block here is not what a real order block, even though this can be a supply zone. So this supply zone is not going to hold. So it's not what a real order block. Don't trust the order block. Use the order block above it. Use the order block above it. Yeah, so use this particular order block, because this particular movement only break this particular low. So, and the price is already indicated that it's going what on a bearish direction. Then price is probably going to like to stop out any buyer that enter using this particular order block here. So price is going to do something like this, stop this eye out, go above this eye, then tap into this particular order block above here. Then after that, price starts going what on a bearish direction. So this is how to identify a reorder block. Even though there are 4 different ways, but for the sake of this video, I'm just like to be using these two way on how to identify order block, just like to explain how I was able to like to see those entry. It's just like we're doing back testing together. So let's just go into the video right now. Okay, let me delete this and then delete this also. Okay. So let me show you guys what I mean on charts. So let me delete this also. Okay, so right here we are on 4-hour time frame. Can you see we are on 4-hour time frame? One of the best ways for you to increase your risk to reward ratio, just like you analyze it from higher time frame. 4-hour time frame can be your higher time frame, daily time frame can be your higher time frame, and then weekly time frame can be what's your higher time frame. You understand? So right here you can see that price. Okay, I think this is the first bearish moment that I did. Okay, so on 4-hour time frame, price end up breaking this low. This is the only low yet. This is the only low yet. This low is not what a low, because it's under range. This is where I see a lot of traders are doing the mistake. They will end up saying that this low is what a low. You understand? This low is what under range. You also like to see the market or to analyze the market from this particular low to this particular high. So this is what a bullish range. Then from this particular high, right here, downward is what a bearish range. So this particular low fall under what a bearish range. Sorry, let me delete this. Okay, let me delete this. So this particular low here, this low is falls under what a bearish range. So the only low that price end up breaking is this particular low, making this particular order block was not a real order block. So this order block is not a real order block because it end up breaking only one low. So you are going to like to make use of the order block above it, and then the order block above it is this particular order block here. Can you see the order block here? Even though the order block is very small, but you can still go down to lower time frame to find a perfect order block to know exactly the price is going to. Let me change this color to red. So let's just go down to like lower time frame. We are on 4-hour time frame, so you can go down to like the next lower time frame is 3-hour time frame. Sorry. And then on 3-hour time frame is still the same order block. So let's just go down to like 2-hour time frame. So these 2-hour time frame. So if we show this particular 2-hour time frame, this particular movement from this particular high end up breaking any low here? No, price not breaking any low. This is the only low that price end up breaking. This low here. So on 2-hour time frame, price did not break any low. This movement did not break any low. I mean, from this high, from this bullish candle, from this bullish candle to this low here, before this next bullish candle, price not break any movement. So this order block is not what a real order block. So price is going to go above it. So we are going to like to reduce our order block. The price is going to like to go above this particular order block here. So you can go down to like 1-hour time frame. From 2-hour time frame, now we are going down to 1-hour time frame. So a 1-hour time frame feels like to study the market. Also, the price end up breaking any low. No, price not break any low. But due to the fact that you understand that price can go above this particular high from 4-hour time frame. So we are not going to like to move our entry from this particular high or to increase it. You understand? So our entry, our stop loss is going to be in this 4-hour time frame area. So you're not going to like to increase it or to reduce it. So this is 1-hour time frame. So we're going to go down to like 30 minutes time frame. So let's just check 30 minutes time frame. If you're able to like to see a real order block, you're going to like to make use of it. And then if you do not see anyone, you're just going to make use of this 4-hour time frame, this 1-hour time frame. And then the major reason why price is going to go above this particular area, I just like to take this eye out. This is liquidity, because some traders are going to like to be using this supply zone. Price is going to like to stop them out. Immediately price is going to respect the order block above it here. So you can see that price eventually come back to this particular order block, just like to respect it. But if you check 30 minutes time frame, let's just check 30 minutes. So we are on 30 minutes right now. So this is the high. I'm seeing that price is probably going to like to take out, and then this particular moment here, I mean from this high to this low, you end up breaking only one low here. Can you see? From this high to this low, it's end up breaking only this particular low here. I mean this low here. So price end up breaking only this particular low, making this particular order block here or supply zone not what a real order block. So price probably going to respect the order block above it. And then if you also like to check the order block above it, is this particular order block here. Can you see it? So this is where you are going to use to set what's your entry, and then set what's your stop loss. So if you also like to set what's your entry here, let me delete this liquidity line. So if you also like to set what's your entry here, then you are going to set your stop loss above it. And then sometimes you can add spread to it, but for the sake of this video, I'm not calculating any spreads to it. So if you set what your stop loss there, and then you go back to 4-hour time frame to set what your take profit. So let's go back to 4-hour time frame. That's where we start analyzing from. So we are going to try to set our take profit. So let's just find a place to set what's our take profit. Okay. So on 4-hour time frame, this is the nearest low that we expected price to take out. You can set what's your take profit also here, but I'll choose to set my here, you understand. So I'm going to like to set what take profit here. At the end of the day, you can see that price, and I'll give you like a 1:35. So it's very easy, guys, just like to be cashing all this particular moment. If you end up risking just 1% of your account to enter into this particular trade, you are going to make 35% of your account in just this one movement. Just imagine you're risking 5% of your account to enter into this trade. You're going to make more than 150% in this particular movement. So that's just for that. So let's just move to the second movement right here, and then I'm going to explain how to catch the second movement also. So I think this is the second movement, this order block here. Why did I make use of this particular order block? Price end up breaking this particular high. Can you see the high? This particular high here, and then this high, this high. So price end up breaking all these high you are seeing. Let me just delete this entry. Okay, let me just leave it. So price end up breaking all these high, this one, and also this one, making this particular order block what a reorder block. So this is what a reorder block, because it end up breaking all this high, and then we have what a pre-construction in the markets, because this is the last low. This low go below this particular low here. Let me delete this, because this low goes below this particular low here. So this is the last low. So price end up going above this high, and also the high that pick our trade, and also this particular high, and also this high, making this particular order block what a reorder block. Once you see that price end up breaking too high, so the order block that is responsible for it is what a reorder block. So you can make use of the order block. So if you have to like to share this particular order block, if you have to use this particular order block, is very big. So let me just show you guys what I mean by that. If you have to set what's your stop loss there, and then if you have to set what's your take profit using this particular high. Before I end this video, I'll tell you the reason why I'm setting what's my take profit using this particular high. So if you have to like to set what take profit here, let's check the ratio. So this 1:10, I think 1:10 is also okay. But if you want to like to increase your risk to reward ratio, so we can go down to lower time frame to find a perfect order block inside this particular order block to know exactly the price is going to. So we are on 4-hour time frame. Let's just go down to like 3-hour time frame. So on 3-hour time frame, let me delete our entry. I will set it back. So on 3-hour time frame, I would like to see this particular order block. It's still the same movement that end up breaking this high, and also this high here, and also this high. So you can see the order block. So you can reduce the order block to this level. Then this 3-hour time frame, you can also go down to like 2-hour time frame. So on 2-hour time frame, it's still the same order block. So it's still the same movement that end up breaking this high, and also this high, all this high here. So it's still the same moment. and then we are unable to get a real order block here, so we are still going to hold on to our 3-hour time frame order block. So let's just go down to 1-hour time frame. If you can see another order block there, so 1-hour time frame. So on 1-hour time frame right here, you can see this particular order block. Can you see the order block? Just look like a doji candle, AMA candle. Yeah, I don't know. So this is just the order block. This is the last bearish candle. So you're going to make use of this particular order block. And then if you also to share this order block, this particular moment, it end up breaking this high. Let me move this one a little bit. It end up breaking this high. Can you see it? This high and also this high here. So it end up breaking 2 high. That is the reason why we are using this particular order block. So I think I have to delete all this line. So from 1-hour time frame, you can go down to in 30 minutes, and then to see if you can also reduce it. So let's just go down to 30 minutes time frame. So on 30 minutes time frame right here, you can see this is the order block. Can you see it? This is the last bearish candle before price move up. You can see the impulse moment that end up breaking all this high. So you're going to make use of this particular order block here. Can you see this is the last bearish candle? So you can also go down to 15 minutes. So let's just stop at 15 minutes time frame. So I'm going to be stopping this analysis or going down to lower time frame using 15 minutes time frame. I'm going to leave the remaining one for my student, just from 15 minutes time frame to 1 minute time frame. So you guys also can join my mentorship program is on, and then you guys are even lucky because I'm on 50% discount right now. So you can just join, and then I'm going to leave the link in the description. So just go to my description and then click on the link to join my mentorship. So we have our 50% discount going on. So on 15 minutes time frame, this is what the order block. So you can also reduce the order block. So this is the order block. You see the price tap into it and then start going on in bullish direction. So I'm going to stop on 15 minutes time frame. So I'll be doing the remaining one with my students. If you have to set what's your entry using this area, then you're going to set what's your stop loss using this particular low here. Then you're going to set what's your take profit using this high. So the high I mentioned earlier, I think okay, this is it. So I'm going to tell you the reason why I'm using this particular high. I mean this high here. This particular high. I'm going to tell you the reason why I'm set to what take profit using this particular high before I end this video. So if you also to check the ratio, this one ratio 62, this one ratio 62, guys. So imagine you risking 1% of your account and then making 62%. So that is crazy. So I'm not the kind of trader that always increase their stop loss to be very big like this. There's some trader that their stop loss is always big like this, and then at the end of the day they end up making a 1:8, 1:5, 1:3. No, I'm not the kind of trader like that. The smallest ratio I can ever take in a trade is just 1:10. So if market is not giving me 1:10, I'm not entering into the market, or I'll have to go down to lower time frame to find exactly that price is going to inside that particular order block, just to enter into the trade. So I'm not the kind of trader like this. I understand the reason why price have to respect a level, and then I understand the reason why price is not going to respect a level. You understand? So that is just it. So let me just reduce this stop loss to this original level. So you can see this one ratio 62. So I'm going to move on to the next place that I found an entry. So you can see that price was going on the bullish direction, and then when price gets to this particular area, it started to descend. Can you see price going on the bearish direction here? Let me just show you. Let me increase the boldness. So you can see that price gain was on a bearish direction. So my major focus is just to focus on this particular bearish moment, not the bullish moment. So I want to enter into another trade. I want to get another moment. So I have to focus on this bearish moment, not this particular bullish moment, because I understand that price gain was on a bullish direction. So I'm going to tell you the reason why we set our take profit there, as I've said earlier before I end this video. Just because I understand the direction that price is going to, and the price is here to get to that level, so I can enter into another trade, just cash in every single moment. You understand? So right here you can see that price is going on in bearish direction. So I have to study the market. So if I study the market right here, from this particular high, this is the last high, and then to this low, is what a bearish movement, and then from this low upward is what a bullish movement. So I have to like to find entry inside this particular moment. So let me delete this and also delete this. So we are going to like to be waiting for price to break structure, so either to break this particular high. So you have one high here, okay, we have another high here. Can you see we have another high here? So this is what a bullish candle, so it's opposite candle. So that's the reason why this candle end up in bullish candles. So every single candle you are seeing in the market, either a bullish candle or a bearish candle, there's a reason why it's ended that way. Just because there's a reason why we call a bullish order block, just because it's the last bearish candle that break what market structure. A bearish order block is the last bullish candle, just because it's the last bullish candle that break market structure. So there's a reason why every single candle form in the markets are close. You understand? All these bullish candle, bearish candle you are seeing, there's a reason why it's also called like that. So right here we are expecting what a bullish movement, either price end up breaking two high or price end up breaking only one high, and then find what a reorder block. So right here you can see that price end up breaking only this particular high, and then if you have to like to find out the order block that is responsible for this break, is this particular order block here. So this is the last bearish candle, hope you can see it. This is the last bearish candle. So this bearish candle is not what a reorder block, because it end up breaking only this particular high. And then all this high you are seeing here, this is not high. All this high, you can see that price end up breaking this high also. All this high is not what high, just because this movement here is what under range. This is the last low. This is the last low here. So from this particular high, from this high here, from this high to this particular low is what a bearish range. So you're expecting what a bullish range to break a bearish range. You understand? So price end up breaking only this particular high here. Let me delete this. Let me just make use of trend line. Okay. So price end up breaking only this particular high. All these movements are what's under range, because this is the last low, and then price going what on a bullish direction. So this order block is not what a real order block. So price probably going to like to take the order block out as what a liquidity, and then respect the order block below it. I know this sounds crazy, but that is just how price behave. So because of some traders are making use of every single demand zone and also supply zone in the market, and then they don't understand the real demand zone or supply zone. I think I've created a video on how to identify a real supply and demand zone in the market. You can just do it and watch that video. And also you can get some more insights from my mentorship program. You can join my mentorship program. It's on right now. Just go to the description. You're going to see the link there. Just click on the link and then to join the mentorship program. There's a 50% discount going on, so just take advantage of that to join the mentorship program. You're going to have access to me directly, because I'll be the one to train you personally, and then it's going to be probably individual training, so not just a group, because you're going to understand every single thing. So I'm going to like to share my screen with you the same way I'm recording this particular video. Then you'll be able to like to ask questions, to see chart by yourself and other stuff. So that's just how I train people. So you can see that price right here tap into this particular low, because this low right here is not what a real order block, this particular order block. So price is going to like to tap it out. It's not a demand zone. So price is going to like to tap it out and then respect the order block below it. So this is the order block. After price end up tapping it out, this particular week here, I know it sounds crazy, but that is true. So the aim of price coming all the way down, just like to tap out this particular low as liquidity. So once price has achieved that moment, it will start going what's on a bullish direction back. So let me just show you guys. Consider price tap. I'm coming. Sorry. Consider price tap out this particular low here. Can you see? Tap into it. Just end up taking this particular liquidity. So you're going to try to set what our entry, also using this particular movement here. Then you're going to set what your stop loss below it. And then you are going to set what our take profit, the same place you set the other one. So we are 15 minutes time frame. Let me just move it very well. Okay. So this way we are going to set what our take profit. Our take profit is going to be the same way, the same place this take profit is. So let's just check the ratio. I think this ratio is very huge. Okay, can you see the ratio? This one ratio 104. Just imagine you just raise 1% of your account into this particular trade, and then you end up making 104%. 104% of your account in this single move. So that's just for that. This one ratio was 104. So let's just move to the next analysis that I did. So right here you can see that price is going what on a bearish direction from this particular high downward to this particular low is what a bearish direction, and then bearish range, I mean from this particular low upward is what a bullish range. Can you see? Because this is the last low that will occur in the market, this low here. I mean this particular low, let me show you. So this is the last low, can you see it? This is the last low. So for you to know when price is about to start going up, you're going to like to be expecting price to break what a bearish range. Either price to break too high, then make use of the order block, or price break only one high, then you're going to use the order block below it, just like what happened here. So you can see that price end up breaking only this particular high here. So price end up breaking only this particular high. So this order block is not what a real order block. So you're going to like to make use of the order block below it. Every single time you see price end up breaking only one high, the order block is not what a real order block. Make use of the order block below it. So that's just how to identify a real order block. I understand a lot of traders, even though they are uploading video on YouTube, they don't understand all these things I'm teaching you. They're just like teaching you on what order block generally, but I'm going to like to go down to lower time frame to know exactly the price is going to, you understand, for you, so you can understand this, and then for you to become what a successful trader. So this order block is not what a real order block, then you're going to like to make use of the order block below it. So if you have to like to share the order block below it, this is the order block. Price is going to like to tap this particular low out as what in liquidity. So can you see this particular low, this particular order block, price is going to like to tap it out, and then price tap into this particular order block. So the reason why price tap this particular order block out is just because to take out early buyers out of the market, just because they don't understand a real order block in the market. Price end up breaking only one high, so this is not what a real order block. The order block below is just make use of it. So if you have to like to make use of this particular order block, you're going to like to set what our entry here, and also set what our stop loss here. So this is where our stop loss is going to be. I'm supposed to go down to lower time frame like 5 minutes time frame, 3 minutes time frame, or 1 minute time frame, but I'm going to leave that for my students. So I'm going to like to be sticking to only 15 minutes time frame here. So from higher time frame to 15 minutes time frame. So if you have to like to set what our take profit is going to be, the same place to set the previous two take profits. So our take profit is going to be here. Okay, so this is where our take profit is going to be. Then you can see this is what 1:27. So let's just go to higher time frame so you can see all the entry we have entered. So let me just choose to our time frame. Let me make use of our time frame. So on our time frame right now, you can see all our entry. This is the first trade, and then this is the second trade, this is the third one, and then this is the fourth one. I think it's 5. I think it's 5. Oh, I jumped one there. I jumped this particular moment. Let me jump this particular moment here. This bullish trade. So I jumped this particular moment here, this particular bullish trade. I think this particular bullish trade. So let me just do the video before I round up this particular video. So right, so you can see that price end up breaking this high. I mean this particular high. Price end up breaking this high, and also this high here. So price end up breaking this high, and also the general high. So the overall high. So price end up breaking it, making this particular order block here a strong order block, a real order block. But this order block is very big. So I think we're on 2 hour time frame. Let's just go down to like 1 hour time frame. So on 1 hour time frame, you can reduce the order block to this order block here. Can you see the order block? This is the last bearish candle. So from 1 hour time frame, let's check 30 minutes time frame. So on 30 minutes time frame, okay, it's still the same order block. So let me just end it using 15 minutes time frame. So on 15 minutes time frame, we can reduce the order block to this level. Okay. All right. So if you have to like to enter into this trade, if you set what's your entry and then your stop loss below here, then you set your take profit. The same place to set the order take profit. So let me show you the ratio. Okay. If you set what's your take profit here, This is gonna be 1:32. Can you see? The first one is 1:35. The second one is 1:32. This one is 1:62. This one is 1:104. Then this one is 1:27. So this is just a simple way on how to identify a real order block in the market, and then how to go down to lower time frame, just like to increase your risk to reward ratio, and then just like to making high ratio. So the strategy is very simple. At the beginning of this video, I said I'm going to try to tell you guys the reason why I'm set towards my take profit in this particular eye. I mean this eye right here, this eye. So the first thing you have to understand, just like you understanding your bias, where exactly is price going to on higher time frame. So once you're able to identify the place that price is going to on higher time frame, then you know the direction that you want to trade. So you're not going to trade against the direction of higher time frame, because higher time frame is stronger than lower time frame. If you have to check all these particular moments here, there's possibility of you seeing what a bearish trade. So if you enter into what a bearish trade, you are going to lose money. Let me just show you something here. Okay, let me go to 4-hour time frame. Let me show you something. On 4-hour time frame, this particular order block here, this order block is what a reorder block. On 4-hour time frame, this particular order block is what a reorder block. You can see that price, it will get to this order block, and then do as if you want to respect it, use it to come down, give it some respect before breaking it. Because some traders, it will do their trading by strategy. They're going to say, oh, this is a reorder block because this particular order block end up breaking this low here, and also this low, and also this particular low here. So price end up breaking a lot of low here, and also this low, okay, it's end up breaking this low too. Price end up breaking this low. So this order block is what a reorder block. But if you check higher time frame from weekly time frame, you know that price is going to go above here. So let me delete this and then show you guys on our weekly time frame. So the first thing you have to do is just like to get your buyers from higher time frame, which is probably daily time frame or weekly time frame. And then sometimes I make use of weekly time frame and also daily time frame, just like to get my buyers. So if you have to check 1 week, if you have to use weekly time frame, you're going to see that price is going to go above this particular high. So let me show you guys. So on weekly time frame, you can see that price end up breaking only this particular high here. Can you see it? This is the high that price end up breaking. Can you see that price end up breaking only this particular high here? And then this is the candle that broke it, and then this is the order block. So price is not going to respect this particular order block. Price is going to go below it. So price is going to go below this particular order block, then respect it before going what's on a bullish direction. So price have to give what 100%. So 100% movement, immediately price end up giving the 100%. Can you see the price already going what's on a bearish direction? This candle, can you see it's going this week candle is going what's on a bearish direction because it has fulfilled its purpose. So this movement end up breaking only one high, which is this high, and then this is the other block. So price not going to respect this particular order block because it end up breaking only one high. So price is going to like to come below it, just like to take the low out, and then start going on a bullish direction. So this weekly time frame, this is what weekly time frame is saying. Then if you go down to daily time frame, let's see what daily time frame is saying. So on daily time frame, this is the high that I'm talking about, the price end up breaking. And then this is the low that I said price is going to take out as liquidity, this low here. Let me delete all this low, all these lines, sorry. Let me delete all this line. I think we are done with them. So this is the low that I'm saying that price probably going to take. Let me go back to weekly time frame, just like to confirm. Okay, so this is the other block low that I said price is going to take. So when you check out daily time frame, you're going to see, okay, so on daily time frame, this is the low, it's still the same low. Then you'll be expecting price to tap out this low, and then the major reason why price is coming all the way down, just like to take out this particular low, and then this particular order block price is going to like probably respect it. Can you see this order block here? After this particular low that price wants to do, because the major reason why price is coming all the way down is just like to take this low out, because some traders are going to like to make use of that particular order block or weekly time frame as what demand zone. You understand? So price understand that, and the price is probably going to take out all those people out of the market. So once price has achieved that, price will start going on a bullish direction. So that is the reason why I was able to see all these particular movements in the chart on the trade, and then I never take any bearish movement. So if I end up taking a bearish movement when price was going on a bullish direction, that bearish movement is going to end up in loss because I'm trading against the buyers. So the first thing, just to get your buyers from higher time frame. So once you're able to get your buyers on higher time frame, then you trade in that direction only. You don't trade against it. So that's just for that. So if you're new to this channel, please kindly subscribe to this channel, and then don't forget to join my mentorship program. My mentorship program is on, so I'm going to be breaking down all these things for you, and then you are going to understand the reason why price are respecting some certain level, and also the reason why price is not respecting some certain level. So you're going to understand how to go down to lower time frame, also a 1 minute time frame, just to find a real order block, just to understand the place that price is exactly going to. Not just you set a big order block like this. Let me go down to 4 hour time frame. Not that you just set a big stop loss for market to play around inside your entry, just something like this. Not like something like this. Some traders do something like this because they don't understand the reason why price is going to respect that particular level. They're just trying their luck. If price is probably going to respect the order block or not. But with my mentorship, you're going to understand the reason why price is going to respect the order block, and then the reason why price won't respect a particular order block. So that's what you're going to be learning, and then how to increase your risk to reward ratio, just like 1:10. As I've said earlier, that is the smallest ratio I can take by myself. Some traders end up taking 1:2. I don't advise that. Some 1:3, 1:4, 1:5. But the smallest ratio I can ever take as a trader is 1:10, just because I understand the market a little bit. I don't claim that I understand every single thing in the market, but I understand the market a little bit, you understand? So I'm going to be training you guys on every single thing you need to know. So go to the description right now to click on the link and then join my mentorship. And also, if you're new to this channel, please kindly subscribe and like this video. See you in my next video.